coming! Come on! What will win in a drag race between a Rimac Nevera, a Red Bull KTM MotoGP bike, and a crazy Suzuki Hayabusa that's been supercharged? Now let me tell you about the Rimac Nevera. We've got 4 electric motors, obviously 4-wheel drive with crazy torque vectoring and all that kind of stuff, and combined it has 1,914 horsepower and 2,360 newton meters of torque. It's fitted with a big 120 kilowatt hour battery pack. As a result, it is quite heavy, tips the scales at around 2.3 tons. It's also very expensive, £2 million. Now this particular car I'm sat in is the one that Rimac actually uses for testing. So it's a normal production car that customers buy, but it's fitted with some racing seats, it's got some electrical measuring equipment, and it's done quite a lot of miles for testing. Other than that, it's exactly what customers buy, so the performance is realistic as to what a customer car would do. But what about the other machines? Well, let's speak to their riders, starting with Danny Pedrosa.
Yes, so this bike has around 270 horsepower. It weighs 157 kilos. It's a B4 engine, 1000cc, and the torque is around 120 newton meter.
Let's find out a bit more about that Suzuki Hayabusa from Chris Northover from Bike World.
Hi Chris, you alright?
Hello Matt, good to be back, and I've got some more horsepower this time. So this is the TTS Suzuki Super Booster. It's kind of built as the bike Suzuki should have made, in Richard Alban's own words. 380 horsepower, 10,800 RPM. It uses a custom-made supercharger. It's got 18 psi of boost, and it makes 340 newton meters of torque in a bike that weighs around 250 kilos. So it is an absolute animal.
Oh, he's close! He's coming back! He's coming back! I think if you get a slightly better launch,
It's going to be there.
let's go again, come on. Oh, he's got me on the line, come on, car! Come on! Wow. Do you reckon you can get a better launch?
I reckon I can, yeah. But we as motorcyclists are winning. Does that count?
What, in terms of overall points?
Well,
All right then. Okay then, let's go for a third race.
3, 2, 1.
Chris is away. Here comes Danny. He's coming! Come on! So then what exactly happened? Well, the Rimac won, completing the standing quarter mile in 8.5 seconds. The MotoGP bike came second in 8.6 seconds, while the Suzuki was last. It took 9.6 seconds to do the standing quarter mile.